Hi, on this video I'm going to show you how to use the Smartboard application. This black color is the application of the Smartboard. The green one is for the driver of the Smartboard. Now click the Smartboard Vision application. This is the complete view of the Smartboard application. We have a lot of tools that you can see. When you click on file, you can see many files here that include the printer and the save button. Here we have the documents. You can record the screen, you can also screenshot, you can import audio, video and pictures. Here are the settings of the Smartboard. You can change the language from here. You can also set up hotkey calibration, and here in the option is another settings that you can set up for the Smartboard application. Okay, now this one is an exit button. Now Smartboard application is actually similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. Here you can also add pages if you want to. And here you're gonna use the pen from here. You can write something, then you go to another page, do and write, okay, like that. Now here you can also change the color of your pen if you want to. Alright, you can erase from here. As I mentioned earlier, in the Smartboard application, we have segregation of all the tools. We have the pen tool here, we have the eraser tools here, the text and table here, the geometry and the tools. That is for the edit. If you go to view, another thing also you can see from here. But now I'm going to show you how to use the Smartboard basic tools when you are like outside the application of the Smartboard. Example, you have some PowerPoint presentation, you have like say prepared a lesson plan and you want to use the Smartboard pen on that. Okay, how to do that? You see the full screen here, it's in the last corner. You click on it, it gives you the full screen of the Smartboard. Now you can use this full screen. You have a full white screen that you can write on. You can also erase. If you want to change the color of your pen, you click from here. Alright, you have to click the pen. So these are the basic tools that normally you use every time in the classroom. If you want to go back to the main Smartboard with the full option, you just click the exit button and you get it. You get these things. Okay, but if you want only the basic one, you just click the full screen here and it's give you the whiteboard only. Now for example, you have a ready presentation that you want to use with the pen. Now how you will write on it? So you have to go to the Windows. Now you are in the Windows. Okay, I will click the eraser. I don't want it to be here. This tool will always come with you whenever you are in the system. Tamam? Mathalan, I'll go and check example, you want to show this to them. You can use the pen even you are here watching the YouTube. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, then you can also erase. Alright, now if you want to play the board again, you have to go back to the Windows button. Make sure that it's green. Okay, once it's green, it means that you are able to touch the board. Now if I want to go back to the whiteboard, you have to click only the duplicate here, and now you are in the whiteboard. Again, if you want to go to the Windows, you click the Windows, you are in the Windows. Alright, now you can start exploring the Smartboard application. Discover everything, many tools that I didn't tell you right now, since I'm just talking about the basic applications, basic tools. You can dive in, click and try all the tools and enjoy. That's all. Thank you for watching.